Bonjour, my name is Chef Connor.
I'm Chef Boosh.
My name is Drake.
And we are cooking Perdu muffins, aka French toast muffins. Okay, so these are our ingredients to make the Perdu muffins. We have fresh baked French bread, as you see here. We've got some whole milk, 6 eggs, some sugar, pure vanilla extract, and ground cinnamon. And that's it for our ingredients for the muffins. So our first step into making our Perdu muffins is to take our loaf of French bread and cut it into 1/2-inch square cubes, as you will see now. Don't cut the
Actually, Connor, all squares are cubes.
Thanks, Boosh. So I'm just gonna dice it on the counter. Do not do this on the counter. You might want to do it on a cutting board, which Drake, I don't think he has. Probably does, but you know, it's okay. So cut them into cubes like this, as you can see. A little bit smaller maybe, but you know, it's good enough. So we're gonna use a whole loaf and cut them into that. These are definitely not 1/2 inch, but they'll do. Gordon Ramsay says so. Okay, so we'll cut the rest off camera.
Once you cut the bread into 1/2-inch cubes, you place them into a muffin tin. And you want to fill them up almost to the top to get a bigger muffin. As I'm doing so, you just want to place them in there.
Okay, so our next step into making our Perdu muffins is to pour 2.5 cups of milk, as demonstrated by our Chef Drake here. This is 1 cup. Pour it backwards like a boss. One more. Put 1/2 cup, okay. Do this. Gotta get it all. No. Don't waste milk. Makes you strong. I'll pour this one. Thank you, buddy. Okay, so our next step is we are taking these eggs here and we're going to be cracking them into our mixing bowl with the milk. 6 eggs. So that's 1. 2. 3. Drake, silence. 4. I feel like I'm on Elmo now, counting. 5. Ready for this? 6. Oh, and then we need to. Okay, so our 4th, 5th, and 6th step is to add our granulated sugar into our mixing bowl with the eggs and milk.
So 1/2 cup.
1/2 cup, sorry. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Floats right on top. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Be very, very careful. And then you mix. Now this part might take a while. Gotta get the yolk, get all the stuff. Smells delicious. Strong. I'm not gonna get it everywhere, but you know, gotta be a fighter. Don't know where I'm going with this, but you know. The only hard thing about whisking all this is the eggs, because the yolks don't break immediately after this. It's not the right way to stir, but you know.
We're going to pour the mixture of eggs, cinnamon, and milk over the bread cubes in the muffin tin. You want to fill them up because the bread's going to soak it up, but you want to put a little bit more so that the muffin tin is full of the mixture. Okay, so there you have it. Your muffins are ready to go into the oven.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Okay, so our next step into making our process for the Perdu muffins is to take our muffins and put them into the oven that has been preheated. Don't burn yourself.
And they're gonna cook for
Our next
25
item that we are going to make is the cinnamon streusel topping for our Perdu muffins. So we have 1/8 a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 butter, flour, 1/4 cup of flour, a pinch of salt. We're gonna add 2 pinches of ground cinnamon. So first, let's add the brown sugar. Okay, that just dropped in there. Let's see. Then we're going to do our all-purpose flour. Next, our pinch of salt. Then our stick of cold butter. Kind of warmed it up so that way it'd be easy to mash. All over my hands now. I'm going to pour the ground cinnamon. Do 2 pinches. And we're gonna mix it with our hands now. Next, we will mix the mixture of the ingredients with our hands into a crumbly mixture in order to make the topping for it. And we have Chef Booge mixing that for us. Thank you, Booge. Make it until it's really crumbly. Kind of looks like sand almost. Alright, next step is to take the muffins out of the oven that have been baked for 25 minutes. So let's do that. Looking good. Take those out, bougie bouge. Mmm, delicious. Okay, so we're gonna be garnishing our plate now with some chocolate syrup. Good amount. Oh, it's gonna. There you go. Okay. We're gonna get some Hershey's chocolate shavings. Just sprinkle that all around there. It's kind of crumbled, but you know, yeah, Booge can help. There you go. There you go. That's good enough. And next we have the. Oh, got some more of that. Okay, we got some coconut shavings. Roll it around, make it a nice dark milk chocolate. And then we have our muffins. Here are our Perdu muffins. Show that. See, nice and good. Place these on the plate very carefully. And bon appetit. Now we're going to be trying our Perdu muffins. So bon appetit. You ready?
Great.
Not bad. It's pretty good.
Alrighty. Thank you for. Good afternoon. Welcome to Drake's Kitchen. Today we will be cooking Perdu.
You did not do that.
Believe
Started this episode, we're doing a lemon juice challenge. Not bad.
What is wrong with you?
Tastes good. Do the do.
Move the chair. Move the chair.
Come on. What is this, Drake?
I don't fucking know. He's a chihuahua, bro.
It's a devil dog. We got a devil dog. Where's Conover? Exorcism in progress.
Just put the chair back. Let him cool down.
Okay, our next step is to take the ovens that have been baked for 25.